In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email tasks into ClickUp. Emailing directly into a task is a great way to keep conversations and files organized without copying and pasting. You'll send an email from your inbox and it will land right inside the task you choose, so everything stays together for your team. First, log into ClickUp. Once you're in, head to your team space. This is the area where your folders, lists, and tasks live. Choose the space and location that contain the task you want to update, then open that specific task. We're going to connect this task to your email so that anything you send will be captured here. Inside the task view, look for the three dots, often called the More Options or Ellipsis menu. Click that to open the advanced actions. From this menu, select Send Email to Task. ClickUp will display a unique email address that routes messages straight to this task. This address is specific to the task you have open. Click Copy to place that address on your clipboard. Treat this address like a direct pipeline to the task. Anyone who has it can email content into the task, so keep it private and share it only with people who should contribute. Now switch to your email client and create a new message. In the To field, paste the address you just copied. Type a subject line that makes sense for your workflow, something clear and searchable like a short summary of the update. Write your email as you normally would. If you have files, screenshots, or PDFs, attach them here. Attachments will come through to the task as well. When you're ready, click Send. Then return to the task in ClickUp. Give it a moment to process, and you'll see the email appear within the task, often in the activity or comments area, and any files will show up as attachments. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page after a few seconds. The full message, including formatting and attachments, will be captured so your team can view it in context. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep that task email address handy in a note or contact so you can use it again later. Use clear, consistent subjects to make searching easier. If you don't see the Send Email to Task option, check your workspace permissions or verify that the email feature is enabled for your plan. And that's it. You've connected your inbox to a ClickUp task, making it effortless to capture emails and files where your work actually happens.